We know what we're building. We've got all the stuff for it. We are so ready.
This year, it's going to be different. I'm not just ready to build. I'm ready to win.
Nice pig, losers.
Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelots. The rivalry continues.
Man, they've got matching leather jackets and everything.
So cool.
Well, well, well. If it isn't the order of the losers.
Great. The fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers.
Let's go, guys.
Name, please?
Axel. And how do you do?
No, your team name.
Team name? We are not ready for this.
So much for losing anonymously.
We're the Nether Maniacs.
You just thought of that right now?
Yep.
We've never even been to the Nether.
Who the Nether cares?
Okay, Nether Maniacs, you guys are in booth 5.
Nope.
Is that a freaking beacon? They have a freaking beacon? Freaking beacon?
That's stained glass. They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon. We're gonna lose.
Our design is way cooler. A gigantic zombie is way cooler than a fancy light.
Their difficulty score is going to be higher than our total score.
We've got something they don't. Fireworks.
We should probably stop staring at them.
Ha ha ha. Look, it's the order of the... losers again.
Good one, Gil.
We're just looking.
There'll be plenty of time for you all to look at it after it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you. EnderCon doesn't allow outside food or drink. I'm talking about your pig. You're saying he's food.
Shut up.
What's that?
Jesse said, shut up. Do you need to hear it again?
I dunno. Maybe.
Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do.
You're lucky I'm busy.
Hey, Jesse. Guys,
Hey, Petra.
how's the build going?
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that nether star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a
You
problem.
help these tools?
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
None of us know where to find you.
Exactly.
No hard feelings, guys. And if you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we just forget about all this and, you know, make this about how cool our builds are?
We're cool with Petra, but you need to teach your friend some manners.
He's just trying to get in your head.
Well, have you heard the saying, it's possible to be nice and win?
Sounds like something a loser would say.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon. The winners will also meet, in person, Gabriel the Warrior.
Ocelot! Ocelot! Ocelot!
Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up. We'll call it the Warrior Whip.
No leaving the designated crafting areas for any reason.
And just like that, I'm nervous again.
Don't talk like that. We can do this. Just stick to the plan and everything will be fine. This year, the Nether Maniacs can't lose.
Fun, that's important. Try your best.
Let's do it.
Building starts now!
Oh no! A fireworks dispenser! I'm so scared.
You worry about your build, and we'll worry about ours. Now, the moment of truth.
Here goes nothing. This looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
How could anyone not love a zombie? Good call, Jesse.
Guys, people are looking at us.
Good build, man! What? No way.
It's just a bunch of dyed wool.
Whoops.
Oh no, Ruben's on fire! Ruben, no, come back!
It was Aiden, that
The
punk.
lava's getting
It's
closer.
gonna ruin the build.
Ruben's going to get lost. We've got to do something.
You guys stay and save the build.
On it.
We've got it covered, Jesse. Be careful. We'll meet up with you at EnderCon.
Ruben, where are you? Just give me an oink if you can hear me. Pig tracks. Ruben, I don't want to be out here in the dark. These definitely belong to a pig. There's no way Ruben made these on his own. Hey, Ruben. I got a carrot for you. Where are you, buddy? Ruben, are you in there? Stupid pigs. Ruben! No, not you, guys. Pigs! Hey, all pigs but Ruben, shut up! Yeah! Ruben, it's getting scary out here. Ruben? Ruben! Oh no, you in there, buddy? Oh, jeez, please don't be toasted, Ruben. Yeah. Reuben, there you are. Hey, buddy, you want a carrot? Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Reuben, run! Whew. I think we're good. I think we made it.